Good morning, students. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study class 10th mathematics of chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. It is on your book page number 40 to 42. In this video, we will discuss about the pair of linear equations and what kind of solution they have. So, let's start with the pair of linear equation, what actually they have. In fact, this is true for any linear equation, that is, each solution x comma y of the linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 corresponds to a point on the line representing the on the line representing the equation. मीन्स जो भी उसके सॉल्यूशन होंगे x कॉमा y किसी भी एक लीनियर इक्वेशन के, वो पॉइंट होंगे उस लाइन पर जो उस इक्वेशन की बनाई जाएगी ग्राफ पे. ओके, ज्योमेट्रिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दैट लाइन with different points on that line are the solution and vice versa. Okay, now consider equation 1 and 2 given above. These equations taken together. Now what are these equations? Taken together representing the information we have about Akhila at a fair. Now those equations are, we have studied in our last video, that is y is equal to 1 upon 2x, and the second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, where y is the number of times she played or she had a ride on giant wheel, and x is the number of times she played hopla. Okay, and the total money she spent is 20 rupees, and 3 rupee cost for the giant wheel, and 3 rupee cost for the your giant wheel, and 4 rupee cost for the your hopla. Okay, so she played hopla how many times? Half the times of the rides on the giant wheel. So x is the number of rides on the giant wheel and y is the number of times she played hopla. So 3 rupee cost for the ride for giant wheel. So 3 into x plus 4 into y. Y is the number of times she played hopla, and 4 is the rupee for one game of hopla. Okay. Now these are the two equations we have considered. Okay. Now so equation number 1 and 2, which is representing the Akhila's event at the fair. Okay, these two linear equations are in the same variables x and y. ये दोनों इक्वेशन में कौन से वेरिएबल थे? x and y थे. Equations like these are called pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us see what such pair look like algebraically. Okay, so it is general form for a pair of linear equations in the two variables x and y is a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0, where a1 square plus b1 square cannot be equal to 0. This is the condition. It has been written over here. Similarly, for the second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0, where a1, a2, okay, B1, B2 and C1, C2 are real numbers. Clear? So this is the general way of writing the equation. There are some examples of pair of linear equations in two variable. 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. 9x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. 5x equal to y minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 7. Okay, 17 is equal to y. So these are the pair of linear equations. Okay, we have some examples. So now moving further, do you know what do they look like geometrically? ये कैसे दिखेंगे geometrically अगर इनको हम बनाएंगे तो? Okay, recall that you studied in class 9th, that is geometrical, that is graphical representation of the linear equation. What? Graphical representation of the linear equation in two variable is a straight line. जो ग्राफ बनता है लीनियर इक्वेशन का दो वेरिएबल का, वो कैसी ग्राफ होता है? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ होता है. कैन यू नाउ सजेस्ट what a pair of linear equation in two variable will look like geometrically? अगर हमारे पास दो लीनियर इक्वेशन है, ठीक है, जिसको हम पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन कहते हैं, वो ज्योमेट्रिकली कैसे दिखेंगे? दे विल बी टू स्ट्रेट लाइंस बोथ टू बी कंसिडर्ड टुगेदर. वो दो स्ट्रेट लाइन होंगी, और वो दो स्ट्रेट लाइन कैसे हो सकती हैं? या तो वो दोनों इंटरसेक्ट कर सकती हैं, या वो दोनों एक दूसरे के पैरेलल हो सकती हैं, या वो एक के ऊपर एक हो सकती हैं, कोइंसिडेंट हो सकती हैं. Will they intersect at a point, one point? They will be not intersecting, they are parallel. The two lines are coincident, means they will lie one on the other. So there are three figure 3.1 A, 3.1 B and 3.1 C, which are showing the representation of these pair of linear equation graphically. First, they can be intersecting. Second, they can be parallel. Are you able to see they are parallel? They are intersecting at one point over here, and they are coincident, means one on the other. Okay, so both ways of representing a linear equations, means pair of linear equation, go hand in hand, the algebraic and the geometrical way. Okay, algebraic as well as the geometrical way. Now let us discuss the first example. Let us take the example given in section 3.1. Akhila goes to a fair with rupees 20 and want to have a ride on a giant wheel and play hopla. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically, that is geometrically. We had already discussed the equations. The equations are y is equal to 1 by 2 x, that can be written as 2 is being cross multiplied, so x minus 2y is equal to 0. I will write the intermediate equation which they have not written, that is 2x is equal to, sorry, 2y is equal to x, or you can write x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, so they have written this equation directly. And the second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Now we'll take some solutions of this. So from the first equation we get, if we place x equal to 0, the y will also get 0. Okay, if we place x equal to 2, the y will be 1. Let us do that, how they have done. So equation is y is equal to x by 2. Let us take first x is equal to 0, so y is equal to 0 upon 2, that is 0. Second situation, x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. So these are the solutions which have been placed over here. Similarly, if we do the solutions for second equation, this also will get the solution, that is 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 20. So 4y is equal to 20, that is y is equal to 5. Okay, so they have placed this solution. Similarly, we solve, we get different values also. Clear? So now these solutions are to be represented on the graph. So it has been represented over here. When we represent these lines, okay, we place the points. The points are 0 comma 0, that is the first point, a point has been shown over here. Second, 2 comma 1, so 2 comma 1 has been over here. Now we draw a straight line for this. This is our first equation, that is x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now for the second equation, the solutions are 0 comma 5, 20 by 3 comma 0. So 20 by 3 means 6.66, so it is over here. Okay, this is the point, 20 by 3, okay, comma 0, and the third point is 4 comma 2, it is over here. So when we draw a line for the second equation, they are intersecting at a common point. This is that common point, that is 4 comma 2 is the solution of the pair of linear equation we have. Now we can do it by algebraically also. This is graphical solution. Okay, so these equation have a common solution, that is 4 comma 2, that is x value we get as 4 and y value we get as 2. Let us solve these equation and get the answer. The equation are y is equal to x by 2, and the second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Now from the first equation substitute the value of y in the second equation. So 3x plus 4 into x by 2 is equal to 20. 2 and 2, 2 2s are 4, cancel out. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 20. 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 4. Now again you are getting the value of x as 4. Substitute this value in the first equation. So we are substituting this. The x is equal to 4. So the y value we get is 2. So we again getting the same solution, that is x comma y is equal to 4 comma 2. So this is algebraically and that is graphically. We are getting the same solution. So we can say that the lines, okay, are intersecting each other at a common point. So which what kind of solution they have? The two lines will intersect at a one point. Is it okay? Thank you.